Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in a Dodge Journey. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal brush. Safety is paramount, so put on your safety glasses and gloves before starting. Make sure your Dodge Journey is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. This prevents accidental electrical shorts or movement during the process. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement. Now let's get to disconnecting the old battery. In most Dodge Journey models, the battery is located under the hood, but some might have it in the trunk. Always disconnect the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Use your wrench to loosen the nut and remove the cable. Next, disconnect the positive terminal in the same manner. Finally, unfasten any battery hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps. This ensures good electrical contact and prevents corrosion. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it's stable and secure. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly. Then, connect the negative terminal, ensuring both connections are snug and secure. You're almost done. Reattach the battery hold-down clamp or strap to keep the new battery firmly in place. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Now, start your Dodge Journey to confirm the new battery is functioning properly. You might need to reset your radio or clock settings. For an amazing cleaning experience, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.